Good morning, this is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, January 24th, 2023. A little change from yesterday. We're going to be continued cold with some low clouds, patchy fog in some areas. Again, looking at the key points, again, patchy areas of fog and low clouds with cold temperatures continue. Will be some occasional light snow, maybe a weak wave will drop south tonight with very, very light accumulations expected. Looks like a more active pattern is going to move in Friday. Some of the models indicating the potential for more snow with heavier amounts Friday into Saturday, especially in the eastern mountains, maybe Snake River Plain. And then beyond that, the potential for another snowmaker with more significant Pacific influence late Sunday into next Monday. So again, still a ways out from getting any substantial snowfalls. Looking at the satellite imagery, this light blue area here shows the widespread lower clouds with some patchy fog embedded in those lower clouds. Just occasional high clouds drifting through as well. But again, a lot of this stratus area in the Snake River Plain, Arco Desert into the eastern highlands will persist for much of the day and overnight. Looking at the infrared loop, you can see the big ridge out in the Pacific with the flow from the south well out, and then you can see a northerly flow, which is bringing in the cold temperatures from Canada over Washington State into Idaho again. See this more enhanced area up in British Columbia is this system that's going to drop south tonight with some very weak snow, light snow. The weather risk outlook again, some patchy fog, very light snow today and overnight tonight in some of the southern and eastern mountain areas. Some light snow persisting again, eastern highlands on Wednesday up into Lemhi County. Thursday, again, the eastern highlands is going to be the main area that sees any snow flurries. And then Friday and Saturday, I did highlight at least some minor risks for the eastern southern mountains, maybe the Snake River Plain for some light snow accumulations. Right now, maybe an inch or two in the Snake Plain and heavier amounts in the eastern mountains. So again, fairly widespread light snow expected again late Friday into Saturday. High temperatures today continued with the cool near normal or below normal everywhere, generally teens to 20s throughout southeast Idaho. Snowfall amounts now through tomorrow, again, you can see not many areas getting some accumulation, maybe an inch or two up in Island Park, but for the most part under an inch is expected today, tonight, into tomorrow. Low temperatures tomorrow morning, again, some of the Snake River Plain temperatures elevated in the upper teens with the expected low cloud cover. But you can see some below zero, slightly above zero readings. Some of the mountain valleys over INL could see below zero readings. High temperatures Wednesday, again, similar to today, maybe a little bit warmer. Could be approaching 30, slightly above towards Burley to Twin Falls, but generally 20s continuing. And high temperatures Thursday. Again, maybe a bit of a slight warm-up ahead of the next system. I could see some temperatures getting above freezing in the Magic Valley. But for the most part, everyone remaining below freezing. And here's snowfall amounts for Thursday. Again, everyone pretty much under an inch with some of these light northerly systems. High temperatures Friday. Again, a bit warmer. So we're almost right around normal high temperatures by Friday. Right around freezing in Pocatello, mid to upper 30s towards Burley, and even mid to upper 20s, upper Snake Plain, Stanley, Island Park area. And here are the snowfall amounts right now expected for Friday. You can see more substantial amounts, and this kind of extends into Friday night and Saturday. And you can see some 2 to 3 inches in the Snake River Plain and some 4 to 8 inch amounts as you get up towards Island Park, Ashton, Swan Valley to Teton Pass, maybe upwards of a foot. So we are expecting heavier amounts with this system late week into the early weekend. And a quick look at the 1 to 2 week outlook. First week of February, Idaho again, much better chances of below normal temperatures. and continuing the trend of looking a bit wetter as we get into the early part of February. Much better chance of above normal precipitation as well. So again, beginning Friday into, again, extending a week or two, we could be getting into a bit of a snowier pattern than we've been in. So again, summarizing, again, the patchy fog, areas of low clouds continuing across the eastern mountains, Snake River Plain. Very light snow possible tonight. And as I've been saying, a more active pattern. Looks like it's going to set in Friday, continuing into early next week with a couple of wetter systems expected. Again, late week, early weekend, and again, very late weekend into early next week. So, again, the impacts could be higher, about 3 to 4 days from now. So, if you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.